welcome to Rose. Here's a question that gets asked, and I really like this question. Can rose water make your lips pink? And I think it's a good question, and we're going to dive into it here. But first, I want to clarify what we're talking about, because there's a lot of variety of roses out there. And roses are used medicinally. They're used in the kitchen and in many, many culinary dishes. Different roses are preferred for cooking with often, and there's roses that are preferred for medicine. One that's used both ways is your damask rose, Rosa damascene, your Chinese rose, that's the eastern variety, Rosa chinensis, and certainly the French rose, Gallica, that is officinalis, that is also used. Rosa rugosa is another popular medicinal rose variety. The wild roses are good for medicines. Now, many people do not know, but roses are pretty much native to Asia. There's a few that come out of Europe, even less, a little bit, North America, and even Northwest Africa has got a variety. But in general, this is a plant that comes from Asia. So a long history there. And it's considered to be most especially rooted and native and originating from Persia. Right, the beautiful, beautiful history there, and you can see it in their iconography and certainly in many of their culinary dishes. A lot of parts of the rose are used, not just the rose petals, the rose buds, the rose hips, that's the fruit, the roots can be used, the leaves. So this is a plant that's got a lot of application you may or may not be aware of. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, we say that it helps move qi, disperse stagnation, and calm shen. Shen is that part of your heart that is your spirit, your soul, your consciousness, your awareness. And when it becomes disturbed, you're going to have poor sleep, anxiety, depression, and so on and so forth. So rose can come in and help ease all of these dimensions of your health and well-being. Can you drink rose water every day? You sure can. Really good for you. Great thing to put in your smoothie. Help cleanse the blood. There's another good attribute. Help support digestion, and also help improve your skin. So it's got a lot more to it than just romance. And yes, it can turn your lips pink. It will actually plump up your lips and turn them pink, because it helps improve circulation, and it helps promote hydration. What a great thing. So you just have to dab a little bit onto your lips and watch them turn pink and plump. And it can also be used to counter dark circles under the eyes. So if you've gotten fatigued, again, that circulatory process, the rose's ability to kind of clear the buildup of moisture that can build up under the eye sometimes after like a long flight or, again, a poor night of sleep. So there you have it. Rose water can do a lot of things you didn't know about. The petals can. Find out how you can ease grief with it, support your health, improve your menstrual cycle. I hope I'll see you there. Take our healing herb course on rose and find out about this sacred plant. There's a reason it's used in incense in many of the great traditions of the world, how it helps mental, emotional health, and certainly can be supporting your physical health, and just yummy in the kitchen.